The Health Ministry is putting the country on alert after 5 cases of monkeypox was discovered in the last 10 days. The Health Minister concedes there is underreporting of the disease, which makes monitoring difficult. Giovanni Dennis reports.
From 7 cases to 12 in less than 2 weeks and 1 death under investigation.
What that tells us, it tells us that the virus is out there, that persons are showing up late, which puts them in more jeopardy, and that we have to continue the drive to create awareness and to encourage persons to report to their doctor if they have symptoms.
The health minister says monkeypox is now endemic in Jamaica and it's a growing concern.
It's a big concern. It will always be a big concern. We're talking about introducing an alien concept virus that is now moving within the population with late turn up at hospitals could mean that there is more there than meets the eye and the intelligence or the surveillance can pick up.
And do you suspect that that is the case?
It's absolutely the case. It is the case because for every case that you discover, the formula is normally that you have 7, 8 other cases out there.
Jamaica is to receive 3,500 doses of the monkeypox vaccine from the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, but that's a small amount. And so, Dr. Christopher Tufton wants the country to be on alert.
Well, this is not an announcement for panic. It is that we should be concerned, that we should be aware, we should be alert, and that we should take necessary precautions when necessary.
In July, the World Health Organization declared the global outbreak of monkeypox a public health emergency of international concern. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.